She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Good morning, it's Happy Mother's Day today and we are gonna pop to the shops and do some very wholesome family activities. This is what I'm wearing. Had barely any sleep, I'm so tired. Yeah, we didn't do that much for Mother's Day apart from go out and get some flowers because somebody thought it was a really good idea to stay up till 5 in the morning and I was absolutely shattered. I felt so bad because it was my Mum's Day, but good morning guys, it's Monday today. I'm just quickly putting on my shoes because I'm gonna go for a run this morning. We were gonna go yesterday but I was not there with it. The shoes are called Nike Pegasus. One person I got in the comments saying, what are the shoes? And I love these shoes so much. Yeah, man's me stretching outside. We're gonna go for a quick little run. I just wanted to make this vlog this week because I feel like I've been on cruise pilot for so long. I need to refocus and rehone that energy back into myself. This is me going for a run and I kind of want to go and live in Bali as well. Kind of just want to like pack up my stuff and just go there. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a run. Okay, I went for my morning run. I need to take my earpods out. I hate having earpods. Do you know that's the problem with earpods? You forget that you even have it in your ear and you just leave it in there and you're like, oh, like at night time when you're trying to sleep, you're like, oh. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. I have makeup on in a bit. This is the makeup look I did. This is what it's all looking like. I do like this makeup look. I don't think this camera makes it look that good. Today's outfit. These boots from ASOS. This blazer is from Yes Style. The bag is from Gunda London, which is a Nepalese brand. Okay, this is how it's done.
They are baggy.
We're gonna get some bubble tea recipes. That's the plan. Let me put you. You know when you need to peek out of it. Just got back home. I don't know what is up with my camera angling. This is some of the stuff I got. Choicer, mushrooms, cake, and it looks really fluffy. 2 sugar canes because I miss Nepal. Sausage buns, which I've had once before I feel like, and it's like salty. Mochis, but these are not the ice cream mochis. These are just the refrigerator mochis. So I got the coconut one, which my parents really liked, and then I got the peanut butter one to try. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday today. Sorry, I had to check my phone. I need to quickly clean up my beauty room. I thought I would do a bit of yoga today. Like I made a huge list yesterday just to get my thoughts out there to do so much work. But do you know when you just have so much work and your mind's overthinking it and then you procrastinate and you just need to start with like basics and make a list and go through it. And I also felt really good waking up this morning because I'm vlogging, so I need to show up. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm just gonna have some breakfast. Okay, my room's a bit of a mess right now, but I'm just gonna put these Mother Day flowers with these leaves that I got. Suzzy's on FaceTime, but she's not here right now. I thought they were lilies at first. Clearly I don't know my flowers.
Lilies?
I thought they were lilies.
No, I would know the lily flower because I'm about to get a tattoo.
Clearly I'm really into my flowers. quickly show you how I do my everyday makeup since I'm heading to Tesco's to grab some stuff for tomorrow. I think it's been a really productive day today. I've actually managed to get quite a bit done. So I do my brows. That's always the first thing I do. I'm going to use this foundation today to just clean up my brows, but normally I just use a concealer. I'm going to use this as primer, so I'm going to get into the makeup now. I've done the brows. Doesn't look my best, but it's fine. I really like this primer. This is normally my go-to primer because it just conceals all the bumps and stuff on the skin. Yeah, I tend to change my foundation quite a lot. I'm not really particular about which one I love and I have to wear kind of thing. When I had really bad skin and I couldn't use my normal concealer to cover it, I was actually using this. So I'm just going to use a few of this just on these bits here. And I tend to use brushes quite a lot. Sometimes I use sponges, but if I'm running late, I just use a brush and just make sure I've blended everything out properly. I'm actually not using any of my like go-to products on this video for some reason. I'm not even doing a basic makeup look. This is a basic makeup look, just not using any of my basic products. When I'm having more oily skin days, I tend to use this. But I quite like using the Fenty one as well if I want a more dewier look. This bronzer, I've been loving this bronzer so much. No, I don't even have a mirror here. It's really stressing me out. I can't see. This is how I make my forehead smaller. With the same bronzer, I actually go over my lids so I create a shadow for the day. I don't really tend to go into eyeshadow if I'm doing an everyday look. Also, for my brows, so I've been using the Brow Freeze first, and then I've been using this Benefit Setter on top of it, and then just going in with pencil brow liner. I love using dewy blushes, especially when I'm doing a natural makeup look. I just think it's such an easy way to give you like a glow. It's literally my go-to product in the summer. I even like it throughout winter, but especially in the summer, it just looks so nice. I also add a bit on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty gloss for this one. I do actually really like this Fenty gloss, but my ideal would be to go in with a lip balm, lip tint, anything like that. Okay, I'm really close to the camera. Lovely. I'm gonna use this product because I can't find my other Makeup by Mario pencil, but it's just a brown pencil liner. It's literally the best product to use for like everyday makeup look, and all I do is create a wing line like this. That's it. You can fade it out more if you want to. You can leave it like this if you want to. I just like to clean it up here a bit more with like a bit of concealer. I'm just gonna pop this mascara on. I've been hearing so many things about it, so I'm gonna give it a try. I got no lashes, but I'm gonna put these lashes on. These are the Wispy 03. I've been really liking these lashes. I really like lashes that look like this in general. This is the Kiss lashes. Okay, so I've done the lashes. This is my makeup look. Oh my god, my hair. I don't brush my hair anymore because it's so short. We just got back from Tesco's. I just went to grab some stuff because it's Mom's birthday tomorrow. Just finished my run. I'm so sweaty, oh my god. I'm gonna go quickly shower and then I'm gonna eat and then get ready for the day. Happy birthday to you, Mom.
Thank you.
I know, I said the first thing I said was like, happy birthday, Mom. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. Mind the noise outside. So this is what I'm wearing today. I feel and look like a hippie. That's the plan.
Hopefully it'll fit. Oh, do the separate one. This is the big one.
You like this one?
Okay.
It's got pockets as well. Yeah, you're gonna come running with us now. Okay, so I got some PR packages, and first of all, because we got Mum some gym stuff for her birthday. They seem quite big though, you know, on the hips. But to be fair, I do have big
No,
hips.
but yeah, no, I think it'll be fine.
The
No,
model
it's
that
just
was
a really
wearing
good
it had
shape,
quite
yeah.
big
She was, like,
hips
quite
as well.
curvy.
They remind me
Seamless.
of the
Ultra
Gymshark
seamless.
ones that I had on this morning.
Yeah.
These are not PR stuff, by the way. This is stuff that I bought. So like the cross is like this, and it's mesh, and it's so nice. And
Mesh.
it is.
Just
Look,
open back.
it's
Oh,
mesh.
yeah.
I just love sports bras.
I'm out to get
that are
some
white. And I also got myself some black leggings. I don't know how I feel about this one. It looks really big.
I don't think it is.
But yeah, I got this one and it's got my protein logo on here. So that's the brushes that came through. This is from Star Pro. I'm so sorry, I'm not going to link any of this stuff down below. But if you want to find these brush sets, it's on Star Pro.
So this?
Just eye cream serum for night and day. So this is from Mulak. Mulak is literally kind of cool. Like, this is an Italian brand. She managed to come out
Cream
with
Lust
Mulak.
lipsticks. Anastasia. And a pomade.
Pomade.
What colour
Okay.
did they give you? I
So
like to have
this-
dark eyebrows.
I quite like ashy brows, to be fair. Like ashy tones.
Fenty Beauty.
Ooh. I've been seeing this everywhere. So this is their new collection. This is their springtime collection that they've just come out with. That looks really, really cool. And they come out with a blusher palette, which is really cool because normally the blushes they sent me tend to be quite like the colors don't match like as much. But they've sent me some blusher. That looks amazing. I forgot to show you guys this final parcel because it fell down the side. A new lash line. It's actually been out for a while now, and I think she did really amazing last launch. And she sent some PR through to all her girls. So that's so sweet of her. And she's got really big eyes, and she wears like really long lashes. So if you guys are the type of people that love your big lashes, definitely check out her brand. I will link it down below for you. And she's come out, oh, look how cute that is. The new 15, that's the code. If you're like a first time buyer and you want 15% off, you can use her code new15. This one's called Angel. And I actually love like the theme of hers because it's like baby blue. And this one's called Luna. She sent me a little cookie. She's also come out with a little tweezer, so a lash tweezer, a mirror. So she's come out with that Angel Energy mirror. So this is so cute. I absolutely love this. And it's got her brand logo here. So that's so cute. I'm loving that so much. I'm going to end the vlog now. Call it a day. I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed these past few days. So much happened in this past few days, I feel like. I'm excited to get this edited and up. I need to get some work done now. So I'm just going to quickly tidy this mess up, get stuff up. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next week. I think I'm just going to start vlogging like a few of my days and see how it goes. I think just me being able to vlog just gets me to get up and start doing things like I said in my last week's vlog. But yeah, that's what I'm going to start doing. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Like, comment and share if you're really feeling that extra. But thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Masna X.